Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So connecting Etsy to WooCommerce allows you to manage your products, inventory and orders across both platforms from one place. With the right integration, you can sync listings, update stock automatically and manage Etsy orders directly from your WooCommerce store. Since Etsy and WooCommerce do not have a built-in direct connection, most sellers use a connector plugin or integration tool to link the two platforms. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to connect Etsy to WooCommerce in 2026 safely and correctly. So first thing first, choose an Etsy WooCommerce integration plugin. So several plugins allows WooCommerce to connect with Etsy. Popular options include Etsy integration for WooCommerce by SeatCommerce, Let's Commerce, WP-Lister for Etsy, Etsy WooCommerce Sync. So these tools allows you to sync products, manage orders, and update inventory automatically. Many plugins offer free versions or trials. Okay. So install the plugin in WordPress. So to install the integration plugin, log into your WordPress dashboard, go to plugins, tap add new, search for the Etsy integration plugin you chose and click install now. Click activate. The plugin will now appear in your WooCommerce settings. Okay. So now connect your Etsy account. Okay. So after activating the plugin, open the plugin settings, click connect Etsy account. You will be redirected to the Etsy login page. Sign into your Etsy seller account. Okay, I've already signed in. Click allow access. This authorizes the plugin to access your Etsy shop. So Etsy must approve the integration. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.